Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all, this is another one of them impromptu, spur of the moment type videos I'm doing today. Some stuff I got to get rid of. There's nothing planned here. I got some venison breakfast sausage that I need to use up. I got some penne pasta, a little whipping cream. I got some Rayo's marinara sauce, some cheeses, some garlic, bell peppers here. And I'm going to make me a penne pasta, like a Pomodoro sauce with some sausage in it and some bell peppers. It's one of my comfort food. I never maybe shown y'all before. It's just so filling, and it's a fall type dish, y'all, to make a long story short. So what I'm going to do, y'all, I got my water boiling back here for my pasta, and I just put some salt and pepper in it. Make sure when you boil pasta, make sure you salt it. Do not oil your pasta while it's boiling. It does nothing to it. If you're going to oil your pasta, oil it after it's over. It does nothing to it when you put oil in the water when it's boiling. So, I'm going to get that water heating up. I'm going to step off here, y'all. And I'm going to chop up my bell pepper here. Get my pasta boiling, and we're going to come back to the stove. We're going to get this meal together. It's so easy. This meal take about 30 minutes to do. One pot meal. You're going to mess up one pot. Really two. One pot, boil the noodles in, and then the next pot, just going to put everything in one pot. Dump the noodles in it. Goodness. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay. My pot back here. I'm going to get my pasta going. About a pound of penne pasta, throw in there. Get it to boiling. Put my bell peppers in this pot here that's heating up. Like I say, y'all, you know me. It don't take me long to put a meal together. And I'm just using chopped bell peppers here, chopped up. A little closer here. And like I say, it don't take me long at all to put a meal together. Put a little garlic in here. A little garlic around in there. You can use onions you want to, but I'm not. Now, I'm going to put my deer sausage in here. You can use ground meat if you want to, y'all. I'm going to just break up this venison sausage because I had to get rid of it, use it up. It's going to break up once it starts heating up. It's going to break all up in there. Let me get my other spoon here. We're going to stir our pasta around here so it don't stick. Put our top back on there. This stuff already smelling amazing. Y'all know I have freezer full of venison, ground meat, chili meat, breakfast sausage. And that's why I kind of feel bad for some people because the meat prices are rising. That's why I like to harvest a couple of venison a year, get it processed, fill up my freezer, so the high meat prices doesn't affect me at all because I pretty much harvest my own meat and put it in my freezer, so it kind of doesn't really affect me too much. And I was kind of, last year when we had to freeze and they cut the power off for 2 days, I was kind of getting really apprehensive and worried about my venison in the freezer. But what I did, it was so cold and my freezer was packed such the brim, I never opened the freezer. And my house, of course, was so cold because we had no electricity. Couldn't you believe nothing ever thawed out in the freezer for 2 days? As long as it kept the freezer freezer closed, everything's packed in there, nothing ever thawed out. Not even the ice cream. That's crazy. That's how cold it was in everybody's houses. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off here and brown this off, and I'm gonna show you the next step when we come back. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Now I got all the meat browned up, and you can see something what I love about venison. See, there's no oil in here, y'all. Venison is so lean, an amazing piece of meat, y'all. It's very healthy for you. I don't know why people give venison a bad. They say, oh, I don't like venison. It is very healthy, very lean piece of meat. Very. Okay, now, what I'm going to do now, y'all, I'm going to put marinara sauce in here. I use Rayo's, as y'all know. I'll put a little marinara in here. Get it all incorporated up in here. Get it all warmed up in there. Now I'm going to put some heavy whipping cream in here. And let this whipping cream reduce. That's where we're going to create our sauce right here, y'all. It'll be a nice creamy tomatoey sauce, y'all. A little bit more. That should do it. Now, also, I'm going to put a little Parmesan cheese in here. I'm going to save a little for the top. Parmesan cheese in here. Get it to reducing in here too. We want all this to cook together. Right at the end, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese to this. So it's going to be a nice, cheesy, creamy, tomatoey sauce. That's my noodles back here. Y'all, I like to get in these the days I just like to get in the kitchen and just create flavors, y'all. Just create flavors, y'all. So this needs to reduce, like the simmer here. I like to let this simmer about 5-6 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my mozzarella cheese to this, let it incorporate in there. Then I'm gonna season with salt and pepper, see if it needs salt and pepper. And then by that time, the penne pasta be ready. And I'm gonna dump the pasta right in here, y'all. See how easy this meal come together? So easy. So we'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, back again. Okay, I'll let this reduce about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add some mozzarella to this. You can add provolone or whatever. Just gonna make it a little bit more cheesier. I'm gonna kind of incorporate this in there. Melt this in there. It's gonna, like I say, this is gonna be a cheesy, creamy, tomatoey, garlicky, whatever you can add onto it, sauce. See how creamy it's making it? And it's thickening. It's also gonna thicken it too. See that? See how pretty this sauce is becoming? You can use whatever cheese you want. You can use celery in this. You can use onions. I'm just, like I say, I'm just creating on the fly. Something I love to do. Like I say, like my buddy Daddy Jack used to do. Just get in the kitchen and use what you got. And take advantage of what you have. And just use it. So I'm going to let this slowly melt together here. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look how pretty that sauce is coming together. And I like mozzarella because it melts so easily. See that? Look at that, y'all. Okay, let me check my penne pasta. And I like using penne pasta because it has the holes in it. And all this sauce will just flow right in between, in the middle of the shells on the outside. And when you bite into it, you get a nice taste of in every bite. Okay, let's give it a taste here. Oh my God, y'all. It's amazing. Now all I'm gonna do is cut this off and wait on my pasta. When my pasta get ready, I'm gonna drain it and dump it right in here and mix it together. And you're gonna have a big one-pot meal, y'all. Look at this sauce. See how quick that come together? A little heavy cream, a little Rayo's marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper. I did add a little bit more salt and pepper to it. You can use Italian sausage if you don't have breakfast sausage. The venison sausage tastes like a cross between Italian sausage and breakfast sausage. Yes, so you can actually use Italian sausage in this if you don't want to. Or ground meat, or ground turkey, ground chicken. Just make it your own. So I'm going to cut this off. I'll be right back when it's time to dump the noodles inside. We'll be right back. Okay, Now, I'm back here. All I'm gonna do now, y'all, I'm gonna take this pasta here, turn it off back there. I'm gonna drain it right here in the pot. Let it drain there a little. And you can see I got the pot with the holes in it. I can just drain it just like that. And I'm gonna dump it right into the pot. There ain't no sense in oiling it or nothing. Make sure I get all the water out of it. I'm gonna dump it right in there. See that? Should get all the noodles out of there. Got one more in there. Okay. And I'm gonna use my big spoon here and just mix all that sauce up in there. Look at that. Look at that goodness, y'all. Look at that goodness. Goodness, goodness, grace us. Telling y'all, this is a big old pot of one pot meal. All you need is some garlic bread, which I'm gonna make later on. You just need you some garlic bread, y'all, and that's it. Now, this one thing I like to do, I'll show y'all in just a second. After I get it really completely stirred up, make sure you get all that sauce at the bottom, everything completely incorporated. What I like to do, I like to cover it for 10 minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes, don't touch it. And let all that sauce and all that stuff absorb. You can see what I was doing. Absorb in there. And then it'll be awesome. So we'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. I am so sorry. When I was mixing this, I didn't know I had the camera angle wrong, y'all. But this is what we got here. When I was mixing together. This is what we got. Nothing but goodness, goodness, goodness right here, y'all. So let me scoop up a bowl of this. Look at that, y'all. Tell me that ain't good. Definitely restaurant quality, right? Definitely restaurant quality. Move y'all over here to the other side here. There we go. I'm gonna put me a little Parmesan cheese on here. Got a little Parmesan on there. Gotta have a little Parmesan on there. And y'all give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, look at this dish. Look at that. That's good. That's restaurant quality there, y'all. And y'all can make it right in your home. Nice and creamy. Let me show you here. Look at that. Look at this. Let me get you another bite. Look at that. See that? Very cheesy, very creamy. A little tomato bite there with the marinara. Got a little crunch from the green bell pepper. Garlic. I'm telling you, all you need, a little garlic bread, which I'm about to make in a minute. Look at that. Simple. Everything I had in the house already. And you can feed 6, 8 people with this pot. Of course, y'all know what the others going to my neighbors. But yeah, y'all. Another random, spontaneous, spur of the moment video. That's what you're getting in the month of January. And I'm going to get on my schedule next month. But anyway, y'all. Let me show y'all the pot over here. I hate I didn't show y'all when I was mixing it together. But look at all what I have here. That's a big old pot of goodness right there, y'all. Big old pot of goodness. Right there. But anyway, y'all. Let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, help others with a purpose. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.